Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Ariful School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School, Market. Today I am going to take an English class for class Junior 1 students. How to this topic? Question answer 1 to 4 CW. So let's see our today's class. Class Junior 1, Subject English, Term Annual. Topic question answer 1 to 4 CW, lecture 24/5 SW 14. Teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So let's go to the board. Let's see our today's topic. Question number 8 in the syllabus. Question answer. So we will learn today 4 questions. First question is, who has a long tail? So you know very well that who has a long tail. So if a question starts with who, in place of who we will write the answer. Who has a long tail? The monkey has a long tail. So TAC, the T will be capital, the first letter of a sentence. Monkey, MONKEY, the monkey has a long tail. So in these questions you will learn only the monkey. Who has a long tail? In place of who you will learn monkey, and then everything you will take from the questions. The monkey, then you will write has a long tail. Okay, done. Next one, number 2. When do we play? So we'll take the subject first. We is the subject, and this is present indefinite tense. We use play. We write play after the subject. We play. So when do we play? We play in the afternoon. So we and play we will take from the questions. Then we'll write the answer. We play in the afternoon. You all know this. Afternoon spelling AFTERNOON. Afternoon. So we play in the afternoon. Number 3. Who is not well? So if you read all the books, you will understand. And is not well. In place of who, we will write the answer. Who is not well? And. This is not an. An is the name. Okay. And then the rest of the thing from the question. And is not well. Okay. So last question is, who has a cat? Who has a cat? Sam has a cat. SM, Sam. Then the rest of the thing from the question. Sam has a cat. Okay, so these are the 4 questions. Let's read again. First question is, who has a long tail? Who has a long tail? Answer, the monkey. Then rest of the thing from the question, has a long tail. Number 2, when do we play? We play, we and play we will take from the questions. So we play when? In the afternoon. Number 3 question is, who is not well? Answer is an, and is not well. Number 4, who has a cat? Answer is Sam has a cat. Okay, my dear students, memorize these 4 questions. Okay, so your SW will be SW 14, question answer 1 to 4. Question answer 1 to 4, SW 14. Okay, so that's all for today, my dear students. Do your assign SW at home and submit on Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm in school library. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. About your parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.